Hello. Bye, Pooh.
My name is
Sorry?
Leon.
Leon. Yes, my name is Mr. Nick. Michael, hello. And we're going to go and have a look over here first at where we do PE activities. Yeah! Very good shot. What grade this is? Grade, what does it say here?
Grade 3.
Grade 3, yeah, this is the grade 3 classroom. They're upstairs in the resource room, so no one's in there. Ni hao, ma'am. Ni hao, ma'am. Ni hao. Grade 2 teacher, Mr. Al.
What's grade 1?
Your name is Kuga. You'll see grade 1 in a minute.
And they're doing math on a pattern. As you can see, we have toys in here. We also have a library.
Beanbag chairs at the front, okay? And Miss Jordan's gonna read a story for you guys.
Who would like to read Old Mother Hubbard? Hands up!
No, I
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, 12. And now, who would like to read There Was a Crooked Man? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, it was. The winner is Old Mother Hubbard. Then came the snag when she looked in her bag. She had left all her money at home. He was running as fast as the flash.
No.
So he was running a lot. What did he do?
You want some more story time?
No, I want to play ball.
What do you like? What do you like in at primary?
I like this. Wow. Swimming.
Trampoline, swing.
Look at this. Football. Like in here.